Hello everyone, Cassandra Good coming to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, again, I'm here with you about Livegood. And I can't share it enough. I'm going to keep sharing it. Why? Because it's a phenomenal platform that if you have not stepped into it, you should be. And today I'm going to tell you why with tools and resources that we've been using to exponentially grow our teams by leaps and bounds. And ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know, I've been on the leaderboard several times, but I also wanted to let you know that our upline is the number one in the company. And then what does that mean to you? That means that he is killing it and we are killing it all together because we have the resources, we have the tools to actually help you duplicate the success. Now, what does that mean for you? I want to definitely take you into just a little sneak peek of with you joining us today, with you getting off the fence, with you finally saying to yourself, you know what, I'm tired of sitting back, I'm tired of looking at all the success stories and all the testimonials. I want to definitely join Livegood, and I want to join with support and also with leadership that's going to help us get there. And that means creating that residual income, possibly if you want to, ranking, possibly if you want to, being a diamond, so that you can actually share in the profits as a whole that the company actually makes. Is it doable? Yes, it is. I'm headed there. Our upline is already there. Several of our other uplines are already there. And like I said, I'm heading in that direction fast and furious, okay? So I just want to spill the tea just a little bit, give you a little glimpse of who my upline is. And then not only that, I want to show you exactly some of the tools that we're actually using as a team. Now, just so you know, my upline is creating these types of platforms for us. Okay, now I just went through them. You can freeze the video whenever you would like to, but I definitely want you to see exactly what we're actually using. Now, Jeff, I've been around and connected with Jeff about 2 years, a little over 2 years now. It was on another platform, and he was helping me earn some extra commissions with Warrior Plus. Now, if you're not familiar with that, it's okay. It's another type of affiliate outfit, but consistent residual income, consistent residual commissions. This young man knows how to put system together, and I'm a toot his horn for him. He's not one. He's a very humble, modest young man, family man, married man that actually knows how to put systems together that helps everyone that follows in to be able to duplicate. Now, ladies and gentlemen, why is that important, you might ask? Just because a lot of times people get into this space and they really don't understand where to start, who to start with, what tools to use, what do I need to get up and running so that I can make the platform that I'm actually in run for me and start earning commissions like they see all people around them doing. See, with this, you're not left out. You are in the right place at the right time. So I'm not going to keep you long. I just want you to understand that this funnel alone is the reason why he's been able, in 4.5 months, he's been already able to secure, I'm thinking it's almost $40,000, a little over $40,000. Ladies and gentlemen, that is magnificent. And so if he can do it with just a few hours a week, trust me, with you learning the system as well, and he's the one that designed the system, put the system together, using tools and components, put them all in this one system, I assure you, you will be able to do the same thing, duplicate the same thing. We're already having testimonials come in. We're already experiencing the success of it. And I just want to let you know, I have added some of my additional tools as well. So it's really, really spinning. I'm feeling great about it. And also because of the offline, I have to remember my offline world. Now, of course, many of our team members are just online, but I know it's a lot of you all out there that say, wait a minute, Cassandra, it's kind of daunting to get online and try to figure all that and push this button, push that button, but I got you down to a science too. When it comes offline, I got the discount stamps, I have the flyers that I create for you, I turn around and I have the lead sources that I have for you. everything, online, offline, you are going to be a success. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to go through this just again so you'll see exactly what we all have together for this platform with Livegood. So, again, if you have not joined us with Livegood, go ahead and click the link below this video. Join us now. We'd love to have you. If you be scrolling through my channel and you haven't decided whether or not to definitely subscribe, please subscribe, because I want you here. I don't want you to miss any information that I spill the tea on about anything, especially Livegood. Also, if you've already subscribed or you just get ready to subscribe, hit that notification button. I want you to know as soon as I upload a video so that you too will be the first in the tea to find out how to be a success with Livegood and any other platforms that I share on my channel. Ladies and gentlemen, it's with great pleasure that I bring all of this information to you, and I'm going to continue to give you the best support, continue to be here for you, continue to see you on your road to success. Other than that, God bless and have a wonderful evening.